I don't know if you see down there. Good Lord, can my phone please focus for once? There we go. They finally got it moving. After, I think, 6 hours since this accident. They finally, I'm sorry, what time is it now? It's like 6 o'clock. Or 5 hours, really. This train had been blocking this area for like 4 hours now, and they finally got it moving. I'll bet slowly. Can this thing focus, please? Come on. Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't get good enough shots when this thing happens. So yeah, they finally have this thing moving again. I don't know exactly what's flashing down there. Yeah, I think it's the lights for the railroad. Yeah, it's lights for railroad crossing. Just blocked by the traffic lights down there. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, and I think it's not the last car, but yeah. Finally got this thing rolling again. Actually, I think that's the last car. Yeah, there it goes. Finally. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's not the last car. But yeah, it happened today. Pedestrian got hit. It wasn't at Constitution. It was before Constitution Street. But yeah, there was a pedestrian that got hit. And I'm not one to really want to assume stuff. But I believe it was probably a trespasser. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer before this train disappears. Hang on. This is probably as close as I can get before being shooed away. But yeah, there's a lot of police out here. Actually, it stopped again. I'm trying to get this thing to focus bad. There we go. But as you can see, yeah, the train stopped at Lindsey. We'll give it to the crossing though. Doing its job, even the other trains are sitting here. Looks like Brook Street's also down. Oh no, Brook Street's south, I think. Yes, an intermodal. That hit a pedestrian out here. I think it was just past Lindsey. So, yeah. Someone got hit finally. And I'm not saying like that's as if it's a good thing. But hey, I knew it was inevitable. It was gonna happen eventually. I knew someone was gonna come out here, not be listening to the crossing or trespassing, like I've seen quite a few people do out here. But he used to leave me alone. And they would get hit at Lindsey. This is the first time I recorded something at Lindsey during the daytime since